Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do some simple nail art pattern with this needle and toothpicks. So let's start. So first of all, apply a base coat of transparent color and then start your nail art. On this nail I am applying this grey color nail paint. After applying it, let it dry for a few minutes. Now take this yellow color on the tip of this toothpick and apply it on your nails in this way. You can make any shape or size dots. Now take black color nail paint on tip of a needle and with this needle outline it like this. See this? And on these dots and in between we will put some tiny dots of this golden nail paint. See how beautiful it is looking. On next nail I am applying this black color. And on top I am applying some yellow color. Drag this with help of this toothpick. Now apply some tiny dot of this yellow nail paint. Now take some golden nail paint and put some tiny dot on this yellow nail paint. Now take this glitter nail paint and put its dot here. See? Now I am applying here yellow nail paint. Let it dry for some minutes. Now apply this black nail paint in this way. Like this. Now around this black lines apply some golden nail paint in this way. Now take this black nail paint and outline your nail and clean your cuticles with nail paint remover after it get dried up. Now for this nail I am using this white color nail paint. It's pearly white. Now let it dry for some minutes. Now apply some dots of this red nail paint like this. And with help of this needle do it like this. Apply a dot of yellow nail paint. Similarly place some dots here also like this and drag it with this needle. See how beautiful it is looking. On the nail of this pinky finger also I am applying this pearly white nail paint. So after this nail paint get dried up, take this black nail paint on this needle in this way, like this. So this pattern is also ready, but you can do some little more things in this. So with black and white this red will look beautiful. So apply some tiny dots here between these boxes. See? So after all the pattern get dried up, finish them out with top coat. It will add extra shine in it. See, just after applying this top coat, it's shining much more. Even it will smooth out these nail paints. So you can apply this one pattern in all the nails, or you can keep all the nails with a single color and only one nail like a nail with a pattern. You can mix and match any pattern with any colors. So I hope you like this video and these patterns too. And if you like this video, please press like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. So I'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.